Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to BNB video update. Now I've actually uploaded one video for using MetaMask, and I've actually talked about Binance versus Coinbase exchange. So you can use MetaMask if you guys do not trust Binance or you don't trust Coinbase at the moment, and that's actually going to help you. Now on the weekly time frame, yesterday I actually had a pattern that terribly failed and didn't even play out, and now you do have this continuation pattern right there, which is the 3 black rows. And next week we could actually continue to move even lower because you're meant to go even a little bit lower. So first of all, if you want to watch that video, because a lot of people are concerned about Binance and what's going on, so I mean, you can stay safe, and I personally would recommend you to hold some of those coins that you see. There are coins that you keep for long term, and then there are coins you keep for trading. Now when you want to trade, you potentially just want to use an exchange because you don't have any other option. But then again, the problem is that exchanges get hacked, people run away, anything can happen at any second. And then you know, just when you think that something is so trusted, I'm not trying to spread FUD or anything, I really like Binance, you know, I'm a huge supporter of Binance again. But then again, we also had very amazing projects that were trusted by so many people that collapsed terribly. You have Luna Classic, nobody believed that that thing was going to crash down. You had FTX, that thing appeared on so many big promotional exchanges and the billboards and whatnot, and billions of dollars were actually invested in there. Then again, you know, that's kind of a FUD that is actually being created. I do think Binance is still the most securest exchange, even though we do have a technical target to actually drop down to $112 and even $34. This is just how the nature of a bear market. I think it's nothing more than, you know, having that dropping for the sake of bear market. I think that's all that is happening. You know, you went on like this, pop to the upside, made you know, top out for the bull run, come down, go for the bear market again, maybe move down to $40. But we do have this double top right over here on the daily as well. On the monthly it's clear, and it actually takes you to 112. Now from here, if you lose 112, you also don't have any big level of support right there other than this right over here. So if you look at that pennant right here, this was your pennant right there, you broke out of the pennant and then you continue even higher. And the thing is that if you come below the pennant, you don't have any other support other than coming all the way down to $44.2. That's the only place you have another next level of support. You know, this holds on between $40 and $38. So that's something that you have to keep in mind as well. And that's pretty much it for this update right now on BNB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.